Have you ever felt weighed down by your possessions? Do you long for a tidy, peaceful home? Decluttering can be a truly transformative experience. It's not just about tidying up. It's about creating space for joy and letting go of what no longer serves you. While decluttering can be liberating, sentimental items often pose the biggest challenge. But fear not. I'm here to guide you through this emotional journey. Remember, we are aiming for a clutter-free life filled with joy. It's time to declutter and reclaim your space. Let's embark on this journey together. Sentimental items are more than just objects. They hold memories, emotions, and connections to our past. These items often serve as tangible links to moments and people that have shaped our lives. A handmade card from a child, a cherished family heirloom, or a piece of jewelry passed down through generations. A concert ticket stub from a memorable night. These items evoke powerful emotions and can be difficult to part with. They remind us of experiences and connections that have left a lasting impact on our hearts. We may feel guilty discarding gifts, even if they no longer spark joy. The thought of letting go can be overwhelming because these items often symbolize love, friendship, and significant life events. We might worry about forgetting precious memories if we let go of the physical reminders. The fear of losing a connection to our past can make it challenging to part with these items. These feelings are entirely normal. It's important to recognize that our emotions are valid and that it's okay to feel attached to these items. Acknowledge them and remember that our memories and loved ones reside in our hearts, not in material possessions. The essence of our experiences and relationships lives within us, not in the objects we keep. It's okay to feel a tinge of sadness when letting go. Allow yourself to experience these emotions as they are a natural part of the process. Embrace those feelings, acknowledge their significance, and then gently release the items that no longer spark joy. By doing so, you make room for new memories and experiences while honoring the past. When decluttering sentimental items, start by asking the fundamental question: does this spark joy? This is a crucial step in determining the emotional value of each item. Hold the item in your hands, feel its energy, and pay attention to your emotions. Take a moment to reflect on the memories associated with it. If it brings a smile to your face and a warmth to your heart, keep it. These are the items that truly matter and bring positivity into your life. If not, it might be time to let go. Remember, letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means making space for new memories. Take photos of sentimental items you're hesitant to keep. This allows you to hold on to the memory without the physical clutter. This way, you can preserve the memory without holding on to the physical object. Digital photos can be easily stored and accessed whenever you want to reminisce. Create a designated space for cherished mementos. This helps in keeping your living space organized while still honoring your memories. A memory box or a special shelf can house your most treasured possessions. Make sure this space is easily accessible and well maintained. Remember, you're not erasing memories, but rather curating the items that best represent them. This process allows you to focus on what truly matters and brings joy to your life. Section 4. The unexpected perks. How decluttering benefits your well-being. Decluttering offers numerous psychological benefits. It reduces stress and anxiety by creating a sense of calm and order in your surroundings. A clutter-free environment promotes better focus and concentration. Letting go of the past can be incredibly liberating. It allows you to live in the present moment and embrace new opportunities. Decluttering can also boost your self-esteem as you regain control over your space and your life. You deserve to live in a space that brings you peace, joy, and inspiration. Section 5. Embrace the joy finding freedom in a clutter-free life. Imagine waking up every day to a serene and organized space where everything has its place and purpose. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a more joyful and fulfilling life. Each small victory in decluttering brings you closer to a life of freedom and happiness. Decluttering sentimental items can be an emotional process, but the rewards are immeasurable. Cherish the memories, but let go of the physical clutter that no longer serves you. Remember, you are not your possessions. Your true essence and value lie within you, not in the material things you own. Your worth is not defined by the number of items you own. Embrace the clarity and peace that comes with a clutter-free environment. Embrace the freedom that comes with letting go. Feel the relief and lightness as you donate items that no longer serve you. Create a home filled with only the things that spark joy and inspire you. Surround yourself with beauty and simplicity. Live a life surrounded by love, laughter, and meaningful connections. A clutter-free home fosters stronger relationships and more quality time with loved ones. Start decluttering today and experience the life-changing magic of tidying up. Transform your space and, in turn, transform your life.